Hi, I'm David with Silver Seas Yachts, and this is the 45 Cantius. Has a sun pad in the front, a remote spotlight, polished stainless steel anchor, white gel coat, has the hydraulic swim step with the swim step ladder under that hatch. This seat here folds into a sunbed lounge. Has the Kenyan electric grill right here. Refrigerator right there. 2 bar stool seats. Over here it has an ice maker and trash behind that white door. There's 2 tables that'll go in right there. Here's our DC distribution system, 12 volt, and our AC, alternating current. There's our generator start button, and there's the inverter, and the Glomax TV antenna control, and the tank monitor, and the water monitor. There's our air conditioning control. This couch here is a flex steel couch that folds into a double bed. This is what we call an up galley, and has the Nova Cool refrigerator here and the freezer here. Nice big bar, Jensen flat screen, Jensen stereo. There's your 2 burner electric cooktop. Storage here, more storage here. Lots of storage. Lots of storage. Cruisers are known for their storage. This is your salon seating table. Here's our Garmin screens, our joystick, Bennett trim tabs, Garmin VHF. And there's our inverter and our automatic fire extinguisher override, and the subwoofer speaker. The captain's chair folds up to flip up bolsters, or flips down to a comfortable captain seat with armrests. Here we have the electric sunroof. It also has side vents that open on each side. Down into the cabin area. Here's our VIP. It has its own TV and stereo. Storage in those drawers. Then access into your bathroom with your shower and your freshwater flush head. And storage behind those mirrors. And storage in those drawers. It has central vacuum right here. Second bathroom with freshwater shower, freshwater flush head, bowl sink, More storage there. And more storage behind your glass mirror windows. There's your washer and dryer. And going into the full beam master, we have a couch right here. Nice big windows and a reading light. Another flat screen TV. Fold up seating there that converts down to another sleeper. And then here's a double bed. This is a Cruisers Yacht, 45 Cantius. Also has the electric shade that'll come out over the cockpit here. Pull out shower here, hot and cold water shower after you go swimming. Excellent condition. 45 Cantius.